So, hi Lakshmi. So, thank you for joining, and we would like to know your spiritual journey, your spiritual growth that you have witnessed over a period of 2 months, and you have learned various modalities, and how these modalities have helped to transform you from a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly. So, please share and give your beautiful insights so that it can inspire other people to grow, and they can also learn to come out from their cocoon and spread their wings, and they learn to fly with freedom, with a lot of light and love within themselves. So please, Lakshmi, share your experience about the spiritual journey.
Yes. Hi, Mega. Firstly, I'm very thankful to universe for connecting me with a beautiful soul like you. You're like God's an angel to me. No, like before connecting with you, I was totally different person. I was very fearful, scared. As you mentioned, I was in a cocoon. But now there is a huge shift happened in me, and I have become a like butterfly with wings. I just need a small time to fly, and I'm sure it will happen very soon with your support.
Definitely.
Motivation, yes. And my journey actually started with 30 days gratitude challenge. It has been amazing. In 30 days gratitude challenge, I learned appreciating and thanking everything whatever I have, and I started thanking myself, which I used to not do before. Once I started thanking myself, that's when things started changing.
Wow.
Doors started opening for me and things started flowing.
That's awesome.
Yes, that's been really amazing. And during this, one amazing thing happened is I wanted to always become a yoga teacher.
Wow.
Yes, but it did not happen. But during the 30 days, that opportunity came to me and I joined the course, and now successfully I've completed it.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mega. And I'll be conducting my own yoga classes starting from September 1st.
Wow. All the best for that new venture that you're beginning. And I'm so happy that this 30 days gratitude challenge has really created and shifted your dream into your reality. And that I'm so happy for you.
Yes, Mega. It shouldn't have been happen without your support and motivation. You're always there with me. So thank you so much. Yeah, and you have been conducting various workshop and courses like Violet Flame course, Angel Therapy, and Reiki. And I've done all these courses, and all these courses have helped me in molding myself and become a better person. Firstly, I would like to come to Violet Flame course, wherein I learned about Violet Flame, how to use it, how to transmute the negative energy, and how to release my past karmic baggages. When I did this, I could see a huge shift. Then, things started flowing one by one. Then I learned angel therapy. From my childhood, I used to think angels we can see only in dreams. But once I did this course, I started connecting with my angels. Then I was like, okay, even angels do exist. They're like our friends. I started talking with them, and then I started writing letters to them. Wow. And the experience was miraculous and amazing. Then I even learned Reiki from you. In Reiki, I learned how to cleanse my chakras, how to balance it, and my entire body is cleansed now. And the most amazing thing is you keep a track of everything. Right. That's the most amazing thing. And you always motivate us, and you make sure that we don't face any problems when you're when we're doing the course or anything. That's what we students need.
Right.
Yeah.
And so happy to see you growing. And
Yes.
I mean, when I had met you, you were like in your own cocoon, and today when I'm seeing
Very
you
true.
coming out, and you're exploring in fact, you're exploring your inner power, your inner light, and you are bringing it out. So I am so happy and grateful that you are participating from your heart and souls, and that brings the growth out. So I'm really, really proud of you for who you are, and I'm wishing you a lot of luck and abundance coming in. And I want you to make your name and fame and just grow and make yourself happy, because when you are happy, yes, growth comes in. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you so much for always being there, Mega. I had come through many obstacles while I was doing all this, but you were always there helping me out. either emotionally or financially. Like in all the ways, you have been great support for me and my family.
Thank
And
you.
you have been like whenever we needed healing, you have been sending us. So I'm really very thankful for that.
You're most welcome.
Thank you so
Wishing
much.
a lot of luck, and just a reminder to yourself that always tell yourself that I am that I am, and I am that soul, and that will always give you the power to tap into to that journey that you always have dreamt of. So you wanted to be a person who has its own entrepreneurship, who is creating and living her own life. So start living that and see that magic coming in.
Yes, my dream has come true now, and I'm really happy for that. You
Yes,
know what? The one more thing I would like to add, what I could not do in 31 years.
yes,
As you said, I was in cocoon, but now I'm out of it. I could do it in 2 months.
wow. So
So
that's
that's
an
really,
amazing shift.
yes, really, that's amazing. Even I am surprised. Even I question mark, like I have question mark for myself. Like for 31 years, I could not do it, but I did it in 2 months.
Yes,
So,
because that's a huge shift in your
yes,
energy that has really helped you, because you just needed one push and you have done it.
yes,
You
definitely.
have done it. So you should pat your back and you should feel proud of yourself.
Yes, definitely, Megha.
And I'll be always helping and supporting you in wherever you need my guidance. I'm going to be there for you always.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And in future, I'm looking forward to learn more courses from you.
Definitely. And I would love to teach you.
Yeah, you teach the way you teach. It's very simple, and we can understand easily. That's what made me come do all this and learn all these courses and modalities, and brought a huge shift in my life.
Thank you. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, Meg. Like I would recommend everyone to contact you, definitely to connect with you. If they want to come up from cocoon and fly like me, I would definitely suggest everyone to connect with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mega.
Thank you.